Hello everyone. So I hope you all are doing well. So yeah, let us start with our Python revision 2 or 2 exercise questions because we have already finished with the portion of this chapter. Right, everything, what all things are given like, list, tuple, dictionary, string, the functions and all the basic details, the basic functions and how can you differentiate, the comparative study in between all these. Everything is done, is already covered in Python revision 2 or 1 and even 2 also. So now let us start with some output based questions. Okay, so the first one is so the output first question is y is equal to str. We have 1 2 3. So you know very well what is this 1 2 3 actually number, and they are converting this number into str. Str is a string. So if you are converting a number into a string, then what will happen? This will come in single quotes or in double quotes, right? Now x is equal to hello into 3. So this is a string which we are multiplying by 3. So this one will work as replication operator. In that case, if you are multiplying, if you are using this multiply sign with a string and a number, so in that case, this asterisk will work as replication or repetition operator. Now we are printing the value of x and y. So the value of x is hello multiplied by 3. So this string will be repeated 3 times. So it will display hello, hello, hello. Okay. Then we have x is equal to hello in double quotes plus word in double quotes. So x string, we are plus sign. This plus sign will work as concatenation operator or merging operator. We are finding the length of this x. So when you will find the length, you just have to check the number of characters in this and this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the length of y is 10. And now again the print statement is there where first we are displaying the value of y. So y is 10. And then we are displaying x, and x is hello world. Together only. So this is the final output of this question. Okay. Now moving to the next question, we have the output question. Second one is x is equal to, this is a multi-line string. You can use a slash to continue with the string. So it is x is equal to hello to Python and word. Okay, now for char in x is hello to Python word. Okay, so then we have the next line character is also there, and then y is equal to char. So it actually taking the individual character present in this string, and we have the print statement y. So y is the first character, which is h. Okay, so h will come, and then you have colon, and then and is equal to, it is nothing only, or if you are considering, then you can considering the space also. So we have a space here, then the next character e colon h colon l colon o, and then the slash is a new line character, just ignore it here. Okay, and then we have t, then we have o. Okay, and then again we have a space here, so that space will also be counted. Then p colon y colon t colon h colon o colon n. Okay, and then colon, again the new line character w o r l and d. Okay, so like that only it's going to display all the characters present in this string separated with colon. Okay, so now moving to the next one. So here we have one more. We have hello world, and this is slicing. Okay, string slicing. So let us write down the position of the individual character first. I am drawing it again here, and it is h e l l o space w o r l and d. Okay, and now what we are doing, we have to write down the forward indexing, which is in positive form starting from 0. So 0 1 2 3 4, and this space is also one of the character. Then 6 7 8 9. So 0 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you will go for backward indexing, it will start from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10 and -11. So we are starting from the first print statement. So here it is x, nothing is given in the starting position and only 2. So if no value is given, so default starting value is 0. So it is 0 colon 2. Okay, so this is excluded. So it will extract the character at position 0 and 1. So at position 0 and 1 you have HE. Okay, HE. Then you have again here, you can see there is no value for the starting. So again it is 0, but this time -2. So this one is 0 and -2 is this one. But this is not going to display. So it will display HE2R. Okay, HELLO space WOR. Okay, and then we have, again you please check it here. We have here -2. So starting from -2, right? And colon no value is given. So it will work till the end. So end is the last value till here. So -2 is this and it will work till end. So this value is also included. So -2 LD, it will display LD. So this is the output for the first print statement, HE, HELLO and WOR LD. Then second print statement you check, this is the first print statement. Now second print statement, only X6. So X6 position we have W. So it will display W here, right? And then you have here 2 colon 4. So again the same thing, this is included, this is excluded. So it is going to extract the character from position 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 is LL. So we have WLL, right? So this one is the answer. And now the third one. So we have the print statement again. And it is starting from 2 to -3. So here you can see it is 2 to. So it is starting from L to -3. But this is excluded. So it will work till O only. Okay, so it is L, L, O space W, O. And -3 is excluded. So it will be WO. Then we have -4 to -2. So -4 is this only. You can see -4 to -2 and this is excluded. So it will work for 0, not 0, O and R. So with this third print statement, this will be displayed. So well, you should be clear with the forward and the backward indexing for these type of questions. And if you are clear with the, the forward and the backward indexing, you will be able to do this. Okay. So again, I am repeating, you should be clear with the forward indexing and the backward indexing and the base values in case if any of the part of the string slices is missing. So you should be clear with their base values or the default values. So now we are moving to some questions here. We have write a short Python code segment that adds up the length of all the words in the list and then print the average length. So we actually have to find the length of all the words present in a list. So first, short Python program is required. So first we will take a, list here. So suppose L is equal to welcome to India. Okay. Suppose this is a list. So what we have to do, we have to add up the length of all the words. So how for all the words means we have to traverse this list. So for that you can use for I in L list. Okay. And I is the word, each word. So you have to find the length of it. So how can we find it? With the help of len of I, and you can store it into L. And then we have to find the add up means we have to find the sum of all this. So sum is equal to sum plus L. And you know very well, if this is one expression and what all the variables you are using on the right hand side of this expression, they all must be initialized. So L is already here. So we are getting the value of L by the length of this word. But sum we don't have. So we will initialize this sum with 0. Right. And then final value you have to display. What we have to display? We have to display the average. Okay. So average you can calculate it here. So average is equal to the sum. You will divide by the length of this. Okay, the number of words present in it. Okay, So that is the length of this list. So length of this list L. Well, this is done. And now finally you can display. So you will use a print statement here. And you will write the sum of all the word is comma sum, and if you want to display the average, then print average is equal to plus avg. So let us execute this one in the Python code also. So I am opening Python here. So here IDLE, and the shell mode will appear, but we will write down the code in the script mode. So you go to script mode, and here you write down a list first. So L is equal to, in square bracket, welcome to India, COME, welcome to India. Okay, this is done. And then we have to execute a for loop for L in length, and then find the length of it. So length, length is equal to length of this word. Okay, and then you have to find the sum. So sum is equal to sum plus the length. Okay, and sum variable also you have to declare with 0. Well, sum is done, and then we have to display what? You can find the average also. So average is equal to the sum divided by the length of the list. So list is inside which variable? L variable. So print it out. You need to find the the sum of we have to display sum of length of all the words present in the list. Okay, so comma, that value is inside which variable? Sum variable. And then the second one is to display the average. Average length is, and then comma, this is inside which variable? AVG variable. You can just display it. First it will ask you to save your program. So I'm just going to save it on the desktop, and this is a practice question. So practice, okay, PRAC. So well, I'll save it, and you can see sum of all the words present in the list is 14, and the average length is coming like this. So if you are feeling this is a little long, then you can use round function also. Okay, so yeah, you can use the round function here to find the length. How can we use round? So you write round here, and this value comma till 2 place value if you want to display, then you put a comma after the expression. So well, you can check the answer now. This is looking like more appropriate. So perfect only. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this code. You can just check it one more time. This is the list which is not given, so you can take any elements for the list, and then we are traversing a list. We are finding the length of the individual word. So first time it will find the length of which word? First it will find the first word is welcome, right? So it will find the length of this welcome, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7. So here how the sum will be calculated? It would be 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. So next time when you will go, it will separate the next word, which is TO2. Okay, and when you will find the length of TO2, it will be 2. And when you will find the sum, so already 7 is there, 2 will be added, 9. Then again it will go up, and this time the word which will be there in this is India, and the length of India is INDIA. India length is 5. So 9 is already there, 5 will be added with 9, and this will become 14. Okay, so you can see here also I am getting 14. So the reason I gave you, because I executed here, and then it will find the average. So how to calculate the average? It is the roundup and sum. Sum is what? 14. So this 14 will be divided by the length of this. So 1 2 3, it will be divided by 3, and whatever the division value will come, that will store into this AVG variable. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. And this is a small code actually, but the code is a little important. So well, we just did some output based questions along with one small Python program. So I hope you are clear with this. In the coming videos, we are going to cover the remaining questions. So stay tuned, and please don't forget to like the videos. Thank you. Bye.